Early morning, New Beach. There's the lighthouse up there. Got a big rock field out here. It's immense. We're going to give it a shot again today, but New Beach. We'll see what happens. What a beautiful sunrise. There's the lighthouse out there at White Island, and then there's the Nubble over there, up here in southern Maine. Pretty big rock field out here. Once this tide goes out, hopefully we'll get some stuff. Back to the beach. Looks like we got a set of pair of tweezers here. Oh. Yeah, a little pair of tweezers. Or pliers of some sort. See if we can't get something today. Alright. Got something right here. 12-13. Definitely a coin. Walked it over. Dropped it over there. Got it right here. Oh, it's a Jefferson. Jefferson nickel. Lots of rocks out of this New Beach. Big rock pool over here, and I got a secondary now opening up offshore. I'm real interested in that one. Got a target in here. I'm gonna dig it out. Lots of little rocks in here. Going from pool to pool here. Rocks are much more slipperier on this beach. Real slick. Gotta be careful. But getting some tones, but it's tough digging. The rock is a little denser too. You really gotta pry to get the target out. Got a sound over here. Kind of mixed. 848, 142. Uh-oh. Got something here. Let's see it. I think it's a coin. Coming up 145. Got it. Oh, uh-oh. It's a big ring. It's a big one. Big silver. Black. Big silver black ring. Nice. That's a heavy one. Right out of this rock pool in here. Got another rock pool stretching over on that side. Hopefully we'll get over there today. Alright. I got a quarter, I think. Just get it out of this hole right here. 1146. Yep, it's a new quarter. Low part of the beach right in here. I'm out here in York. See what we can get. Get a coin. 1236. That's probably gonna be a penny. Yeah, it's a penny. Well, I'm getting a few coins, but that's about it right now. Talked to a older guy out here, and he was right. In he metal detects long sands. It's a good hard-packed beach. Now, York Harbor, it's got a lot of soft sand. Same with short sands. It's another soft sand beach. And you're going to dig some pretty deep holes unless you get some big erosion. Otherwise, long sand's your best bet if you don't want to dig deep holes. It's more of a hard-packed beach. You'll get shallower targets. But I like to dig, you know. I've seen this beach, York Harbor, where it's completely rock, and I've done well, but to each their own. I got a piece of junk, but I'll tell you, I'm getting a darker matrix on the beach sand, and that's a good sign. You get some good stuff sitting in that layer. The weather out here is unbelievable. Feels like it's 60 degrees. It's a far cry from last year. Some of these beaches were frozen.